Good morning, another brand new day at the Lego town. What's happening in our police station today? It seems like there's a news headline, Donut Thief Still at Large. Well, this is not the first time we hear something like this. Why there someone wants to steal donuts? The police captain Rose is starting her day with a dark roast coffee as usual. What's going on here? The newspaper guy is fishing the police with donuts again? I told you this trick won't work anymore. Look at our captain, who is only drinking black coffee. Our news recruit policeman Ruby decided to follow the tradition, heading to the double donut shop for some breakfast. The lady who is welcoming him is our famous server, Emily. Her signature dark roast coffee really built up her reputation. I guess that's why the new policeman Ruby doesn't want to miss it. The door opens right at 9 o'clock. It seems like Ruby is already full and ready to attend to the next citizen seeks for help. Senior Detective Ron is a bit later, however. Compared to coffee, he prefers just water. Look at who is this? Got locked up in the very morning. Of course, that's the newspaper guy Jack. The Captain Rose saw it through a long time ago. Obviously, before locking him up, every suspect needs to take a souvenir snapshot. Now I'm looking at Jack. He seems to feeling rather comfortable in this cell. This is because he is a regular and knows the trick under the bench. Where there is a tunnel leads to freedom. The investigation area is getting heated. Countless paperwork and phone calls can drive them nuts for real. Emily, the server, is ready to get a break after the morning rush. At the same time, Jack, the newspaper guy, also arrived in her room. I don't know whether she knows it, but there is an opening under the bed where Jack's just stolen another donut. Does she already knew? Or she's just a part of the plan? Comes to the third floor, except for the captain's office and separate washroom, the station storage room is also here. For the new hire Ruby, everything is too new to not look around. The Captain Rose finally got back to her office after a busy morning. She's ready to sit back with her coffee and listen to the latest recordings submitted for her to review. Afternoon is tiring. Detective Ron finally decided to get a coffee and comes to the roof for some fresh air. Standing beside a water tank looking at the city, he started to zone out. The new hire Ruby arrives at the other roof. Standing beside the antenna, listens to his radio real carefully, as he does not want to miss a trace of crime. The billboard is wiggling in the wind. Wait a minute, why it seems very familiar to me? Here comes the newspaper guy Jack, who returned to his familiar ground. What he does not know is that the policeman Ruby has got eyes on him. The server Emily returned to her store. She wants to get ready for the next rush hour. And the senior detective Ron is taking his time to think through how to crack the next case. Everyone here is creating their own legend. You will be the next. Hello everyone, this is Albert. Lego 10278, the police station. Officially sold between 2021 and 2023. 7 hours of build time with its 2,923 pieces. Sold for $270 Canadian, has a piece-to-price ratio of 10.8. I personally think this is a relatively good score. As it is a part of the Street View family, the base is standard 25 by 25 centimeter and the height reaches at 37 centimeters with 3 levels. As you already seen in the story, 4 minifigures and countless Easter eggs are waiting for you to explore. Now, this concludes my talk. Upcoming next is a speed build. If you like my video, please consider hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.